Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the value of y. So I will put the power number 2 for the both sides. So we can simply find the square root. And we know that this one, they will repeat again this one. So we can change for y. So I will put y cone here and number 4 cone here. So we need to find the solutions of this one, and we have y equals to number 1 plus the square root of number 17 over number 2, and y equals to number 1 minus the square root of 17 over number 2. We can see that this one, they should provide the positive number, because this one in here, that is about the square root. The square root, they always positive. So we need to select the positive, and that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.